In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use ZipPay on Amazon. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The proper and most convenient way to shop in Amazon and use ZipPay to pay for your order is through the latest version of the mobile app. So all that you have to do is open ZipPay on your phone, sign into your account, and then select Amazon from the list of stores. All that you have to do then is browse through all the available items on Amazon and add them to your cart. Once you have everything that you want to purchase using ZipPay on your cart, proceed to checkout, and once it is time to select a payment method, you will get the option to pay with Zip as I've highlighted here. So tap this option, and when you reach on the payment information during checkout, you will be able to have a one-time card generated through ZipPay. So as you can see on screen, after you tap Pay with Zip, a one-time card will be generated including the card number, the expiration date, and the CVC. You can use these details to add the card as a payment method to finish paying for your Amazon order. The amount on the card will be exactly the same as the amount shown during checkout, so as long as you are able to add the card during the checkout process to your payment methods, you will be able to finish your purchase on Amazon. You can then manage the payment plan inside of the latest version of ZipPay. Just go to your account page and you can find all of your orders or payments in there. As long as you do this process through the latest version of the mobile app, you will be able to shop inside of Amazon and use all of your spending power to buy anything that you wish inside of the website. I hope I was able to help you on how to use ZipPay on Amazon. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.